Hey everyone, Fruit Whoops here again. Welcome to my channel. It's a quick video just to show you some of the tweaks I've done on the baby Nazgul. I've changed the power lead and the VTX, and I'm going to explain everything to you now. So the first thing I've done is to try and improve the power on this. So I changed the cable from a PH2 to a BT2 from Beta FPV. I bought this kit here which came with the charger, 8 batteries and the cable set as well. That was easy to solder in, as you can see. Then moving on to the biggest issue I had with the baby Nazgul was the range with the VTX. Even on 50 milliwatts, I don't know why it was just so pathetic for me in the environments that I was in. So I got a TBS Unify Pro 32 Nano and put that in there. As you can see here, I've wired it up like this. I've made a diagram for anyone who actually wants to do this as well, because it was a little bit complicated, and you can click on the links below to download that for yourself as well. So as you can see here, the all-in-one flight controller, you've got the VTX mounted with these pins right above it. So I'm going to put on a couple of videos now and explain what's going on here. So this first one, as you can see, flying behind myself here, and then now to the side of myself. This is with the 50 milliwatts, and nearly lost complete connection there. I actually did lose connection in all angles, front, side, back. This one was with the 400 milliwatts TBS. It does go higher, but I didn't want to use too much power. So as you can see here, we've got a stronger signal, can go much further. In that sense, it's much better. They both weigh about a gram, and also the antennas don't weigh any difference, so that was good. But the one big thing is the power usage. I think it was actually draining the battery much quicker. So with the power cable being changed in the BT2, I would have expected to have better flight performance, especially in regards to flight time, which didn't really improve at all. This day again was windy. I was getting around 2 minutes, sometimes under 2 minutes. It was very breezy, it was hard to control, but you know, it's give and take here. Got much better range, but battery wise it hasn't helped. Probably similar to what I was doing with the PH2s. Another thing you guys can actually try, maybe even before changing the VTX, is to reposition the antenna upwards above it and see how that goes. And obviously if you want to change the VTX, check out the diagram that I've done below, and you can download that for yourself. So as I said, it's just a quick video just to show you what I've done with the baby Nazgul. Please subscribe and like if you like what you're watching, and see you soon.